In this video, I'm going to show you how to place the license plate bracket on this Honda Pilot. This helps you mount your license plate onto your front bumper. Let's get started. This license plate bracket is going to be held on with 4 fasteners, 2 Phillips head screws right through here, and 2 10mm headed bolts going in from underneath. Let's remove the Phillips head screws first. Okay, this comes off. You can finish removing your hardware. And remove the 2 10mm fasteners underneath. Hold on to the license plate bracket. And there it is. To install the new bracket, line it up at the bottom and install the 2 bolts. Snug them up. Now take the 2 screws at the top and thread those in. Make sure it's bottomed out, but don't over tighten it. It's going into plastic and it can easily strip out. Put the second one in. And there we go. That's installed.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.